In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with the ConvertKit affiliate program, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher here to help you grow your business fast. Before we get started, stomp on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's get started. So I'm on ConvertKit.com, and if you've never used ConvertKit or never been to their website, ConvertKit is essentially a set of tools that help creators to curate an audience. They focus on email marketing and landing pages. If we look at their features, you can see they have sign-up forms, landing pages, integrations, an email designer, automations, and feature overview. So ConvertKit is helping creators everywhere put their content out there so people can discover what they're great at. It doesn't matter if you're a musician, an artist, a business person, a marketer. No matter what you do, you can create landing pages, convert people into subscribers to your email list, and then you can start generating sales and building brand loyalty. Now let's talk about the affiliate program. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you can see there's a link under company called affiliate program. So we're going to click there. So I've arrived at the ConvertKit affiliate page, and they have an introduction video from the affiliate and affiliate manager, and then you can read about their program. So you can help creators earn a living online and make some cash while you're at it. So it's going to go over the different things that you can do in the affiliate program. It's going to talk about the sign-up process. So you basically just fill out a type form, and then you put in your information, and then you share it with your audience. As a digital marketer myself, I'm going to send emails with my affiliate link to ConvertKit, and I'm going to create YouTube tutorials and videos about it, just like this one. And I'm going to try to send them to my affiliate link in my description or in the comments or at another landing page. You can also set up a funnel, and then you can have paid traffic that goes there. So there's a lot of different ways you can promote this product. There's a training course, graphics and video assets, evergreen webinars to use as a funnel, and a dashboard to track progress. So really you can't go wrong with this program. They're offering a lot to you with affiliate tools, which not every affiliate program does that. So you know they're serious about you promoting their product, and you know that you can trust them. So this is the part that everybody wants to know about, is how much money can you make with ConvertKit. So as you can see, they have a commission calculator. So they work off of recurring commissions, which means every month there's a payment that's issued to somebody who's using the product, and every person that you refer to the product is going to be paying this monthly subscription. So you're going to get 30% for every person who signs up to ConvertKit through your affiliate link, but it's not just that payment. That 30% is going to hit your bank account every month as long as their ConvertKit account is active. That's awesome. That means money in your pocket every month by helping people reach their goals online with ConvertKit. And this is at the lowest monthly plan. So if you're referring, the upsells or the higher plans, then you're going to get a lot more than this. But as you can see, if you get one account, then you're going to be making $8.70, which isn't that much, but it's something. But as you drag it over, this adds up by a lot. Let's say you get up to 50 accounts or a little bit more than that. You're over $400 a month. That's a lot. And then if you keep going, as you can see, you can make a lot of money with ConvertKit, and it's recurring, right? So you might not be able to count on $5,000 a month, especially when starting out. It would be really good to be able to get, maybe 5 to 10 people in the first couple months to subscribe, and then you're making almost an extra $100 a month, which might pay for some of your tools like your autoresponder, or things like if you're on YouTube, like vidIQ or Ubersuggest for keyword research. Maybe you have Premiere Pro that's like $30 a month. So there's a lot of different expenses that this can pay for. So money's money. Money's always going to help you, and you're always going to be helping people to use a product that helps them curate an audience and allow them to make money. So if you want to join, you just have to click the Join the ConvertKit affiliate program link. When you click this link, it's going to load up a type form. It says once completed, they'll review the application, and then they'll respond within 4 to 6 weeks, because there's a high volume of applications right now. By the time you watch this video, that could change. But what you do is you hit start or you hit enter, and then you just start filling in your information. So you type your name. They're going to ask questions like, how are you going to promote this? How many different people do you think you're going to refer? Try to be confident. Try to be accurate as well. You don't want to lie to people. You're going to have to put your website. Make sure you have a landing page or a website or a blog especially, or even a social media page that you post most of your content on, so they can see what kind of content you're posting. If you're posting things that aren't related to ConvertKit, or they're not even in the vicinity of the types of people that would use ConvertKit, like creators, marketers, those types of people, then they might not consider you. Also, if you have a small audience, you might have trouble getting approved at first, but it just depends. Every affiliate network's different, so if you have really specific questions, you can email the support team for ConvertKit on their website. So that's my overview of the ConvertKit affiliate program. It's a great product. It's helping creators be able to curate and create and grow their own audiences to be able to sell their own products. So while you're doing that, you may as well help others to do the same. And you may have a ton of experience with it already, so you will be a huge asset for them. I'll drop a link in the description where you can just quickly go to this site. If you're a creator yourself and you're tired of dancing around all the different tutorials and guides on how to figure out how to make money online as an affiliate marketer, I have great news for you, because I have a free ebook for the ultimate guide on how to start an online business. With my guide, you'll be able to learn how to pick a niche, how to promote products as an affiliate, how to find the right affiliate programs, and how to create assets online using SEO and paid traffic that will generate you passive income. Doesn't that sound amazing? If you're interested and you want to move forward and you want to learn how to make money online promoting offers like ConvertKit through their affiliate program, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. You can go to my website, sign up for my email list, and I'll send you my free ebook. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, stomp on that like button. Please smack the crap out of that subscribe button and flick on that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. There's a video right after this one, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.